will make a video on how they feel and installing them. I mean, there's a lot of videos out there that show you how to install coilovers, but I will be showing a video on how to install them, especially for these adapters for the dampening in the rear, because like I said, there's just no way one can adjust the dampening in the rear without these things. And I'm so glad I brought them, because I was really thinking about that. And it does bring 2 of the preload adjustment. So yeah, I mean, this thing is pretty sick, to be honest.